So, hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to use OR statement in conditional statements. Okay. So I run my code. I'll start my VS code. Okay. Let's see. This is my video number 12, right? Video 12.5. Okay. Uh, wait for some time, and I just copy this code. I copy my entire code, and now in this code, I do some just slight changes over here. Okay. At first, I will delete this part. Okay. So what is this OR statement? It is nothing but same like AND. Over here, while using AND, what you are doing, you are this suppose you are checking that whether both the values are same or not. In while using AND, if A is equals to 12 and B equals to 14, then only it is printing this one. But what if you want to print this I am from India? If okay, so I'll just remove this one. I will just add another statement. Elif. In over here, what if you only want that if A equals to 12 or B equals to 14 or B equals to 14, then what to do? Suppose only one statement is correct. What you have given over here, only one is correct. If A is 12, that's okay. If A is 12 and B is 14, you have to print I am from India. But what if you want to print from both these values? If one is correct, then only you have to print something like this. Print I am I am from West Bengal. Okay. So over here, during this AND statement, what it is doing, it is checking that if both the values are correct, then you will print I am from India. If only one value in this OR statement, what it is doing is, it will check only one value. If A equals to 12, if A is 12, if it will check if A is 12 or not. If A is 12, then it will print I am from West Bengal. It will not check this B part. Okay. If both A and 12 both are correct, then it will print this only. But what if A equals to 12 and B equals to something else? So what it will do, it will check only one value. This first statement is correct, so it will print West Bengal. Uh, or something like that. If A is something, A equals to 10, so it does not fall in this statement, right? It will not print I am from India, because for this one you have to check both the values. If both the values are not correct, it will not print this one. So if only one value, suppose A is wrong and but B equals to 14, it is B equals to 14, so what it will do, it will print I am from West Bengal. What if both the values, from both the values nothing is correct, you will do else print same, nothing. Okay. So for this AND statement, it checks both the values or third value or fourth value, how many values you want to add. It will check that many values. And in elif condition, or sorry, in this OR condition, it will check whether this value is correct or not. If it is correct, it will print this one. Or whether this value is correct or not, it will print this one. Or you can add something like third variable, C equals to something 12 or not. If C equals to 12, then it will print okay. It matches my condition, so one value is correct, so it will print this one. So OR statement is, it checks whether both the values, from both the values only one value is correct or not. If from both the values only one value is correct, then it will print okay. Your code will done. So let me show you how this works. I will CLS this one and I will just increase this one a little bit. So I will run now. So what I will do, I will just print A equals to 12 and B equals to something like 13 or something. So what will be my output? My output will be I am from West Bengal. See, I am from West Bengal, because A is correct but B is wrong. So A is correct, right? If one is correct, it will print this one. Okay. Now next, suppose I am running this once again. I will run this. If both the values are correct, Okay, at first let me do CLS. uh, Space is quite limited. So if A equals to 12 and B equals to 14, what it will print? It will print I am from India, because both the values are correct. But if only one value is correct, it will print nothing. So let me print 10 over here, and B equals to something 14. So one value is correct, that is B1, that is B part is correct, because B should be 14. And if I will press enter, it will print I am from West Bengal. What if both the values are wrong? What it will do? It will print nothing, right? So if A equals to 10 and B equals to something like 13, so it will print nothing. Okay, this is how this code works. This is how AND and OR statement works. This is AND and this is OR. So try it on your own and try some code using this AND and OR statements. Okay, thank you for your time. So if you don't know anything about if-else statements, and if you don't know anything about Python programming, I will put a link over here. Okay, so just check it. Thank you for your time. See you in my next video.